I don't see there being anything radical about repairing things. I'm working towards normalizing repairing your things and shopping secondhand whenever I can possibly do that. There are myths that are perpetuated by the outdoor industry to sell more stuff, and that is that outdoor activities are expensive and they need very unique items. This business model isn't new, I didn't create it, but I'm happy to spend time and energy making the outdoors affordable for everyone.